Is an introduction to the LCD experiment that we're going to be doing. So basically, after you looked at the first video, you saw how to install the liquid crystal display and how to install the potentiometer. This is the wiring diagram for it. So basically what happens is normal is you power up this entire red strip with +5, and this is the wire going right here. And then minus ground goes over to the other side. So on this blue wire, ground is across the entire works. And so basically you can see how we power up the potentiometer, +5 volts and ground. How we power up the LCD, it's +5 volts and ground. And then all of the signals which are controlling the LCD, which are coming from the program, okay, which are going to turn on the LED and put in hello world, which you're going to change hello world to your name. And basically what you're going to be doing is turning this potentiometer to make the screen come alive. Okay, so that's basically it. So now let's see how you actually get the program, because this program is going to be different than doing it like we did last time. Last time we opened up the Arduino IDE and just pasted the program right in it. This time we're actually going to be using the code and the libraries from the CD or from my Dropbox. So in this case, the first thing you're going to do is open up that folder, or on your CD you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to look for the code for this LCD. And it happens to be, okay, let's see, we go here. Code, open up. Okay, it opened up. And basically what you're going to be looking for is LCD display. And copy this whole thing, put it onto your desktop, because that's going to be a lot easier when you do it that way. So you're going to copy it either from my Dropbox or from your CD, and we're going to drop it, paste it right here. Okay, so now we have the folder on the desktop. The next thing you want to do is you want to open up the, okay, here we go. You want to open up your Arduino IDE, and now you're going to find two things in here to be able to load. There's a library in here, and there's also the code. So the first thing you're going to do is do File, Open, and you're going to look for your desktop and find what you just plopped on there, which is this one. And you're going to select Hello World and open it. Okay. Oh, you got to select it here. Select open it. So now you'll see the new Arduino IDE with the code put in here. Now, what you'll notice on this particular experiment, this particular thing, is that that you need a library. So basically, in order for this thing to work, you need a library. This is the library. Whenever you see a .h in the code for the Arduino, you're going to have to load a library. Okay? So how are we going to get the library? We're going to get the library by going to Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Folder. And where we're going to find the zip folder, we're going to find that right within the same thing that we already put on the desktop. So we'll go to Desktops, we'll go to Lesson, Display, and here's the zip folder, which is the library. So we'll open that. So now that we included the library, we can do a verify. And if everything worked right, you'll get no errors down here. Because we included the library, there should be no errors. Okay, done compiling. Then you have to upload it to the Arduino. Uploading to the Arduino. Serial port not selected. Retry. I just plopped mine in here, so I think I'm on serial port 5. Okay. So it'll tell you if you didn't have it in the correct port. So I'll say, okay. Now it's uploading. And it's done uploading. So that's the second step in the process of getting your code and your library to the Arduino. Okay. So now how do we do stop? Stop. Where's the stop? Where's the stop? Where's the stop?